All right. Good morning, everyone. This is Michael Venezia, head trader at TradeView Markets. All right. It's one of those days. It's Tony Pistachio gets a little aggressive. It's one of those days where, there are nice movements in the market, but it's more of how investors or traders are taking things as I'm here at TradeView Markets. Hold on a second. Give me a second. How do I do this? Sorry about that. I had to yell at my wife. No, I'm only kidding. That was Tony. All right. So, okay, let's go to my screen. You know what I mean? So it's the lessons are really irrelevant. Here you have SMCI. I'm not going to lie to you. I covered it. Where is the thing? I covered it last night at 318. I had been shorted. You never make the same on the way up as you knew the way down. If you want to concentrate, you know what I mean? There's more money to trade post. This is my point. You want to short an MCI on a day, like I always say, when it's down, 70. You want to short Apple AMD on a down when it's down 6. It's not very few intraday reverses. So stocks are acting very well here. Twilo, by the way, was 63 last night. I shorted Array acting well. Mankind still acting. Planeteer, all you wanted yesterday to short at 1850. 1850. Now it's 1550. Not even 12 hours ago. 24 trading hours ago. DraftKings move. Roblox, that told the story. That just couldn't, that was in such a range. Everybody that follows TradeView Markets know that was a problem waiting to happen. It just couldn't go. And all those calls were being placed to hedge with it. And it just completely, it was like a negative gamma, if you will. Meta giving it all back. Shopify was positive in the morning. That had option flow. Let me make sure I'm sharing the proper screen here. That had option flow. They took that up at the open. What's going on now? Lyft. Only one in the country buying it down at 1040. No one wanted it. I sold it. I scratched it. Now it's 1140. XPEV, I bought a little of this because some of these China stocks are acting well. XPEV, I bought a little early. I'm not going to lie. I think I'm long at like 17 XPEV. Why did I buy XPEV? Okay. LI still acting okay. Although, the moves have been made. Pulling back. Actually, that chart's not that good anymore. Mayo, XPEV. I bought it at the gap. It's bottom line. I don't think it's going to go back to 24. It's kind of a safe long. It turned into a poor long. AI giving it all back. Worst penthouse. What did I say? The penthouse, the crap house, for lack of a better. D-Dog. Bottom line, range, price action, and volume. Trade that all day yesterday. Let's go to the 4-minute chart on D-Dog. Once it broke yesterday's low, it didn't break yesterday's low. So be aware on D-Dog. Okay, what else? SoFi, Roblox, NIO, TTD, Meta giving it all. Broke the frozen rope on Meta. What's a frozen rope? Headline study, trend line, the frozen rope on Meta. Here's the frozen rope. Actually, I don't know if it broke the rope yet, but there's the rope on Meta. Sorry about that. Listen, oils. This is the one I wanted to take last night. RRC, I timed it well. Thank God I made the hard money. Got out of it. SM, still a major TGH fund. I don't know why I didn't have NUR last night. Look at this close with the volume on the high. SLB did the same thing. I mean, that had a range, but I thought the energy was a little overbought. They'll just tell you that sentiment can stay stretched more than solvency. I don't want to be that dramatic, but there it is. Okay, Apple, Coach. There it is. So it might bounce. Oh, look at this now. My God. It could have another flush down. It looks like it has another flush down. Nevada. SMCI, Nevada, I told everybody last night this was the pin action. Nevada, I'm not going to buy it. I did just sell some Zillow. I had it here pretty well right before it came on the air. I've been buying it. 56.90, bought more at 56.40. Got out of this trade at 56, lost a little bit. Zillow. Carvana, there you go on the reverse. 48 on numbers. What I didn't take my money on was AA of Carvana now. Now it's really going to go. AAOI, I didn't take my money off on this. This stock was like 1140. Now it's 1214, but that's okay. What else are we trading in TGF? TGH, Exxon, Apple, Microsoft that broke it. There's the daily of Microsoft, par B. There it is. ZS. Square was up nicely. Caterpillar, they're taking up some cyclicals. Lennar, Cat, Walmart, Target. There you go, right here, cyclical sector. EMPH, the long didn't work out as much as I wanted to. Apache, Kohl's, Wayfair. I just bought some. I think where's Wayfair? Is that the low? I just bought some Wayfair right at the gap here. Where did I buy it? I think I'm up in it now. Wayfair. Actually, I should have sold it. What's my price? You know what I mean? This like the Wayfair. I don't think it's going to go back. I mean, I shouldn't even. You know what I mean? I saw the print, saw the gap. It's not. I'm going to sell it. 79 is probably where I'm at. 78. Where's my price? Right here. Maybe I'll try to sell it. It says try to sell it. Probably sell it where it's 78.63. My price is what 77. Next, it's down $4. It has range. That's why I'm in it. Array coming a little bit. Toast. Array. What a move. Twilo going to go negative. Futures going to go down. VIX. Bottom line. That it's negative. VIX is negative, which what this tells me two things. Either, I mean, it almost feels like a binary move. I hate to overuse the term, but if the VIX is negative with this much weakness, if the VIX goes positive and it starts to catch on and people start to hedge because the market doesn't bounce, then things are going to cascade. Again, showing that the VIX is still negative with this much carnage. And the reason why the VIX is negative, I'm not going to lie, is there's places to hide. You could have, ran to places to hide. Macy's is not a place to hide. J&J on Alex's list, long, good, long, Alex. There's places to hide today. That's why the VIX is negative. What, if the oils start to pull back and look at Upstart, my God, that's the example of stairs up, elevator down. Right there. 2 months, 3 months worth of killing people's in the short, 71 to 35. Carvana not far behind. AAOI, of course, it's positive. Fast. Okay, Delta, UAL, RCL. Let's sign into TradeGATEHub and see what the wise guys are doing and go through a little bit of the routine. You saw my screen of what's going on. We don't want to sign in futures. We want to sign in TradeGATEHub, what's going on in Twitter. TradeGATEHub. Any questions, Jets? AAOI. Okay, Nevada breaking down. That's correct. It is, Coach. WTI added last. Carvana negative. Okay, wise guys. What's going on here? USO, highest prices since January. What else? Okay, here we go. Wise guys, right here. We'll go back. This is what, 11:15. We'll go back an hour. Pfizer bullish. I don't, MPC, I get it. Apple bearish, Uber bearish, Q's bearish, Toast bearish. What a move on the toaster. IAU looks like an opening seller in calls. They're selling gold calls. Oh my God. I don't want to hear that. IAU, the gold trust. That looks bad too. What else? Listen, they're just playing protection into stocks that have movement. It's really what you want to see in these backing of option bets is the next couple of days, not the days of the move. Toast, August put, somebody's covering. Coke bearish, SMH bullish, Alcoa calls. That's interesting to me. Nah, not really. MPC, anti-VIX in a sell mode. That was at 11:15. They're in a sell mode. The VIX has found a little bid, and that's an issue. Now the market's VIX has found a bid, and this is what I'm looking at. That's not good for longs. It's good for shorts. VIX found a bid, just popped. Let's look at the 2-day chart, 15 minutes. VIX, if it goes over 26, it's got to go. But you know what I mean? Intel bearish. Let's look at our page of movers. Okay. Let's look at the losers in the last 60 minutes. Few. Percent losers in 60 minutes. Okay. Upstart has the volume. Apron, Brush, hot stock yesterday. Blue, Tupperware, Penn. You got to be kidding me. Penn is negative. That was 33 last night. Oh, Penn's not negative, actually. It's just moving. Look at Penn. It was 33. That's incredible. It was 33. And if you want to look, look, here, Penn. Where do we do this? Settings. Let's go to the start time. You know what? Don't worry. Trust me, Penn was 33, and there it is. Disney was even up because of this. It went negative. Disney was 89.70. Now it's pulled in $2. Okay, let's keep going back. So last 60 minutes, IONQ is down 77 cents. IONQ, there's the chart. Shorting it on the way up, you want to short them on the way down. Okay, Planeteer, Twix, AI, Arlo, what's going up? This SYM, look at this thing. They loved it. It was $63 a week ago. Okay. Movers and let's look what's moving up in the last 15 minutes, if anything. That will show you some strength. Percent gainers in the last 15 minutes. What's moving up? AAOI, typical. ZIP, IOVA, Apron, UVIX. Percent gainers, last 60 minutes. CELH acting well with good volume. SEDG, Valero. So you saw the Valero and the MPC sweeps coming in. So that's what's moving up. Marna, EMPH couldn't hold on. So I'll leave it there, guys. You know what I mean? You got to be tactical, not Nevada extending losses. The market is extending losses. AAOI, not extending losses. You son of a bitch. What else is extending? Here's the market right here. See the VIX. That's what I said, right? Literally like 5 minutes ago. Either the VIX was going to go up and take the rest of the market down and shrug off the oil strength, or the market was going to, so you know what I mean? Naturally, not naturally. What's going on out here? Does everybody know I'm trading? For crying out loud. AMAT, Nevada, SMCI, small little bounce. Not interested. It'll probably bounce back right up to the 50-day and then sell off again at 272. Okay, NIO, XPED, PayPal, ZS, Roblox, nothing. All right, Disney, can't catch a bid. RCL, can catch a bid. I didn't get stubborn in coin. Was selling it here. There's the red. Selling all my coin this morning at 88.20. Now it's 85.20. Saved myself $3 on not being stubborn with poor price action. QS is killing the family now. Oh my God, this QS. God, that looks bad. Upstart, Lyft, Carvana. That's all you needed, Carvana. Carvana, 20-minute chart. Carvana, at least it broke the gap at 44. Even if you're shy, you didn't get it 48. It's right there. But you see the taking, listen, all the squeeze stocks, there they are. Carvana, Rivet. No, actually, Rivet is down 22.40 now. Now we get this is an issue. Rivet, I might buy some here. I bought some at the Gap Rivet before. It didn't work. Small. Right here, 22.80. I tried some 22.88. There's my price. Now they go to the next gap, 21.50. God forbid it goes to the whole number 20. I won't be in it that long, but it could do it. This is what they're doing to the rest of these. Planeteer, AI, Joby, XPEV. All right, I got to regroup here. Twilo going to go negative. Situation happening with Mike Fear. I got to get out of some of this stuff. Coin, XPEV, Riven, Toast, even Toast is acting well. AAOI, GFI is killing the freaking family now. It's all right. All right. Toast. You know what we do with Toast? Position. I'm short 3,200. Buy market. Have a nice day. I don't care what it does, but this is not the stock I want to be short because it doesn't have, it has too tight of, it's almost coiled for a next move up, Toast. Almost coiled. But I should have held it at the gap, 24.75. That was the plan, so I didn't want it. Any questions, gents? Everyone, here's my other screen of what I look at. For those that are interested, here I see the sweeps, AI bullish, AI bullish. They're coming with some AI sweeps right here. What are they doing? Did the market, did they bounce a little bit? Here's AI bullish. So let's market AI, some bull sweeps, 32.80. That's just some short covering, not anything I want to look at. What else is my screen? You have some questions, that'd be great. TNGX. Excessive negative delta now with too many singles filled above. Gonna have to take some time. The Utes, where are the Utes? The Utes are okay. They should be acting well, interest rate sensitive. Why in the hell is there a 21% position in Celsius? Are they nuts? SPX 4480, NASDAQ on its 50-day line, and NFX still holding. Nevada breaking, Planeteer breaking, Mike Lillard first. So be careful here. Thanks, dude. Appreciate it. Pay attention to NQ, ABBV. That's one we got to put our interest in. VIX ripping. Here's the VIX. Now they're taking it up. All right, so I'll leave it there, guys. You know what to watch. There's my screen. I'll post earnings. Here's my market universe, SMCI, Array, Toast. They made me cover it right at the high. Thanks a lot, Toast. That's what happens. I covered this Toast. JP Morgan breaking low. Citibank, Coach. We still in this short? If you're there, here's the city. Worst the breed. It always has been. They had your chance to get out. Now's your time. I'll leave it there, everyone. TradeGATEHub will go on the main screen. Don't let your trades turn in positions turn into be trades or vice versa. You should know what you're buying. Uber. There you go. Uber, DraftKings, Roblox, you. All right, guys. Thanks for tuning in. You know, it's only Wednesday afternoon. Look what we've been through, crying out loud. So stay prudent and trade well. I'm here all day. I can't really keep calling out things. They might be irrelevant. Look at Planetaire. It's incredible. What is the weekly? Planetaire. Wouldn't even touch it. All right, guys. So listen, if you know what you're good at. If you're not good at shorting, don't be chasing too many things in the hole, vice versa. This is where I'm better at as the VIX gets higher. Everybody knows, so I'll leave it there. Cheers, everyone. And we'll see you a little bit later, okay? After lunch. I'm here. Rambus, full flow. Cheers. Thank you.